6 दिसा पहिली नगरगाव आंबेडे वाठारात हनुमान देवळा लागसार श्रवण बर्वे ह्या तरणाट्याची कूड दुबावित अवस्थेत सापडिल्ली। श्रवण बर्वेचो गळो आवळून खून केल्ल्याचे पोस्टमॉर्टम रिपोर्टांतल्यान उक्ताडार आयिल्ले। खुनाचे घडणुकी उपरांत वाळपय पुलिशेन 18 जाणांक ताब्यात घेतिल्ले। चौकशे उपरांत 17 जाणांक सोडून दिले, मात वासुदेव ओझरेकाराक पुलिशेन अटक केली। वासुदेवाची खोलायेन चौकशी केल्या उपरांत ताणे खंय श्रवणाचो बापूय देविदास बर्वे आणि भाव उदयाचे नाव घेतिल्ल्याचे उत्तर गोंय पुलीस अधीक्षक अक्षत कौशल सांगता।
Alpha police station had received information about a deceased individual in Ambede, Nagargaon, Sattari. As soon as we had received this information, police teams were sent to the scene. At the same time, forensic experts from the Goa Forensic Science Lab were also sent to the scene of crime. When the police staff reached at the location, they discovered a body which was identified by the family members as one Shravan Barve, who was aged 24 years. It was told to the police that he used to live in the same house in the compound of which this body was found. After inspecting the scene of the crime and after speaking to the forensic experts, the Valpoi police station concluded that it would be correct to begin investigation by registering a case of murder. Consequently, an FIR under section 103 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita was registered at 2 p.m. on 15/4/2025. On that same day afternoon, we had registered a case of murder. Looking at the sensitivity and the complexity of the case, we had immediately decided to form a special investigation team, which consisted of SDPO Porvorim, PI Porvorim, PI Bicholim, ASP under training Arun, who were directed to assist SDPO Bicholim and PI Valpoi in the investigation of this case. Given that the incident had occurred in a dark and isolated area, initial efforts to gather evidence were challenging. Therefore, we quickly shifted the line of investigation to conventional methods. After interacting with local residents, the investigative team narrowed its focus to individuals seen near the crime scene on the night preceding the incident.
श्रवणाच्या खून प्रकरणात अटक केलेल्या वासुदेव ओझरेकाराची पुलिशेन खोलायेन चौकशी केली। चौकशे वेळार वासुदेव आबूज जालो। ताणे ह्या प्रकरणात श्रवणाचो बापूय देविदास आणि भाव उदय बर्वे हांची नांवां घेतल्यात अशें पुलीस अधीक्षक अक्षत कौशल सांगता। वासुदेवान दिल्ले जबाने प्रमाण श्रवणाचो बापूय देविदास 13 एप्रिलाक खंय आपले कडेन आयिल्लो आणि तेन्नाच ताणे श्रवणाच्या खुनाचे कट कारस्थान रचिल्ल्याचो पुलिशेक दुबाव मारता। ह्या नादी श्रवण आणि ताचो बापूय देविदासा मदीं झगडी जाताली। बापायन श्रवणा आड वाळपय पुलिशेंत 5 कागाळी केल्यात। बापूय आणि पुता मदीं बरे संबंध नाशिल्ले, ह्याच कारणाक लागून घडये बापायन पुताचो काटो काडलो आसुये असोय पुलिशेक दुबाव आसा।
Later, during the interrogation, Vasudev confessed that 2 additional persons who had participated in the act. He identified them as Devidas Barve and one Uday Barve, who we later discovered was the father of the deceased and the brother of the deceased, elder brother of the deceased. According to Vasudev's statement, Devidas Barve had approached him on April 13 and hatched the conspiracy. It is worth mentioning that the crime records of police station, Valpoi police station has revealed that previously on multiple occasions, complaints had been filed by Devidas against his son, against his deceased son. In these complaints, Devidas had accused his son of assaulting him. We have thus far found 5 non-cognizable complaints registered in Valpoi police station, where the complainant is the father and the accused is the deceased son. Based on his complaint, previously Shravan had also been arrested. At this stage, we would not like to reveal more aspects of the investigation.
कसो काडलो श्रवणाचो काटो? श्रवणाचो बापूय 13 वेर वासुदेवाक वचून मेळ्ळो। हेच भेटी वेळार तांणी श्रवणाच्या खुनाचे कारस्थान रचले। 14 तारखेर श्रवणाचो खून जालो। 15 वेळ श्रवणाची कूड देवळा लागीं सापडली. श्रवणाचे कुडीर घावे आशिल्ले. ताकाच लागून खून की नैसर्गिक मरण कळपाक मार्ग नाशिल्लो. पोस्टमार्टेमा उपरांत श्रवणाचो खून जाल्ल्याचे उक्तडार आयिल्ले. दोरयेन गळो हळून श्रवणाचो खून केल्लो. 16 तारखेर बापायन स्वता जावन श्रवणाच्या खुनाची कागाळ केल्ली. 18 वेर वासुदेवाक पुलिशेन अटक केल्ली. वासुदेवान चौकशे वेळार देविदास आनी उदयाचे नाव घेतिल्ले. वासुदेवाचे जबाने उपरांत पुलिशेन श्रवणाचो बापूय आनी भावाक अटक केल्या. पूण बापूय आनी भाव अजूनय खुनाची कबुली दिवपाक तयार ना. दुसरे वटेन पुलिशेक अजूनय दोगांय आड ठोस पुरावे मेळूंक नात. ह्या प्रकरणात अजूनय कांय जाणांक अटक जावपाची शक्यताय. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक टीव्ही.